Procurement teams should constantly be looking for ways to maximize their goals. This especially holds true because an ineffective procurement strategy can lead to increased risk, dark purchasing, data inaccuracies, supplier issues, and an overall longer purchasing cycle. So it's time to stop wasting time, opportunities, and resources with an inefficient and ununified procurement process. Let's look into how you can leverage 7 procurement tools within Procurement Software to attain cost savings and eliminate time-consuming bottlenecks for procurement process flow success. Procurement starts with requests, and eProcurement software provides many tools for these requests. Requesters can start by filling out a standard requisition form, which can trigger a form review process. This review process helps determine if a request should involve a bid process, if an existing contract can be used, or if a new purchase order needs to be cut. The aforementioned request wizard allows users to answer a series of dynamic questions. These questions help determine the type of RFX to be initiated based on organizational guidelines, as well as if an existing contract can be used. Organizations can then draft the request. It can be revised and reviewed throughout the workflow. Then, a user assigned to budget review can receive an alert to perform it. Once additional necessary bid requirements are collected, teams can prepare themselves to formalize and enact bids. For creating a request document, teams can merge request metadata with approved templates and clauses from a pre-approved library. They can oversee version tracking and quickly export to standard file formats. With a formal request document, bids are ready to be announced. They can be advertised publicly or by invite only, straight from the software platform. Seamless integration between a bid listing service and contract management software provides a stage for healthy competition between prospective vendors. As such, buying organizations can obtain more value from contract awards, while vendors can be swiftly connected with relevant buying organizations. Once an organization has drafted a request and advertised a bid, potential vendors can start asking relevant questions. Q&A tools can help organizations remain in sync with vendor prospects. Q&A due dates can be set, so prospective vendors are only permitted to submit questions in a time frame that fits the needs of the organization advertising a bid. Once that date is passed, vendor submissions are no longer accepted by the system. Furthermore, procurement software users can receive notifications when questions are posted and warnings regarding when due dates are drawing near. Vendor scorecards and response ratings can keep organizations confident that they choose the vendor that is most aligned with their unique needs. Control of bid rating weight lets organizations prioritize certain criteria over others when reviewing vendor responses and scoring bids. Easy to understand bid tabulation reports can be utilized to integrate pricing and scoring line items for a quick overview of bids. With line item auctioning functionality, organizations can list specific bids for individual items. This can be quite useful for bid management processes that permit organizations to award several vendors for different aspects of one single bid. Organizations can emphasize certain items of a bid, provide an area for vendors to select items and deliver their expected price, and have bid specifications sent back to their system for comparing those responding vendors. Once buying organizations have completed these steps, they're ready to award a vendor. After the winning vendor is awarded, an email can be provided to that selected vendor via the system's sourcing record page. Pre-approved email templates can expedite this process even more. Once the award phase is finished, organizations can begin the contract lifecycle process with their awarded vendor. A new contract can be created within the contract management software system, or the procurement record can be synchronized with an existing contract. In either case, the process can be performed easily via the sourcing record page that has been used throughout the process. For enhanced contract generation, contract intelligence can help organizations import contracts into their system. User-friendly data extraction can intelligently map and categorize contract data. The import of key dates, clauses, and contract data is streamlined, giving organizations visibility and oversight to search, report, categorize, and compare contracts, risk variables, and risk exposure. After a contract is created or linked, organizations can adhere to their standard contract lifecycle management procedures. In addition to the aforementioned holistic and centralized functionality we've discussed thus far, organizations can tackle vendor administration, supplier management, spend analysis, budgets, and a myriad of other tasks. Additionally, electronic purchase order management tools can centralize procurement even further. Such tools can include purchase order punch-outs and shopping carts to streamline requests and fulfillment, PO management dashboards and reports for advanced analytics, PO tracking for robust asset transparency, and seamlessly integrated purchase order creation, vendor management, procurement, and contract lifecycle management. If you're interested in seeing the acclaimed and award-winning platform that can help you easily digitize and centralize contract management, e-procurement, e-sourcing, supplier and vendor relationship management, purchase orders, and much more, book a free demo of CobbleStone Contract Insight contract and e-procurement software today.